Good morning, my dear students. Today I'll begin with chapter 2, that is advanced features of Windows 7. In today's chapter, I'm going to tell you about Windows Explorer, how to open Windows Explorer and the different libraries we have in Windows 7. So let us begin with the chapter. Let's begin with the topic Windows Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? It is a program which is used across the world. It is a unique program which helps us to organize and view the files and the folders which are stored in various disk drives of a computer system. Now, how can you open Windows Explorer? You can do it by clicking on the Windows Explorer icon on the text taskbar, or you can follow the steps like Step 1, click on Start button, then click on All Programs option. Third is click on Accessories option and click on Windows Explorer option. You can see it is well elaborated in the figure. See, all the steps are given, Step 1 till Step 4. Now we come to another topic which that is libraries in Windows. What are libraries? In Windows 7, there are 4 libraries by default. These are user-defined collection of the content. It is a type of folder in Windows 7 which is used to manage the music, picture, documents, etc. A library brings together the similar category files which are stored in different places, but it hides their original location. When we open Windows Explorer, we see that Libraries folder is selected by default on the left pane. To open it, we have to double click on the desired libraries from the right pane. Now students, we can use the backward and the forward button located in the menu control bar of Windows Explorer to go forward and backward. Now let us briefly learn about the 4 different libraries. The first one, the document library. Here we have all the files which are related to the documents, like we may have a Excel file, we may have a Word file and MS Access files, and like whatever is related to the documents. The second one is the music library. It is the file which consolidates all your digital music files. These files may be stored in My Music or public music folders or in any subfolder within these folders. Third is the picture library. It allows you to view and work with any of the pictures on your PC or network. And last one is the video library. In this we have video files with the extensions like MP4 etc. That's all for today.